This is a beautiful standing desk from FlexiSpot with a massive 220 pounds loading capacity. It has a real bamboo finish, not some MDF with bamboo veneer. And the best part is that it features a collision prevention system. So let me bring this thing up to its maximum height. And obviously I have the casters installed so I can easily move it around. And it acts like a beautiful backdrop for all my YouTube videos. So with a little tab, okay, I guess that's too late. With a little tab like this, it will be able to stop working and retract to its opposite direction so my furnitures will not get crushed. For example, if I want to do this, I'll press one button and trying to crush into my floating desk in the background and see what's going to happen. There's a digital display pad and all the controls are here. I also have, I'm going to walk you through all these details later. Okay, and I also have a little cable management unit in the back. See, it comes back a little bit, so I'm never worried about crushing into these things. And even when I move the desk, the up and down motion will be stopped. Of course, the sensitivity and this feature can be adjusted by pressing and hold these up and down button. It is actually the perfect height for my floating desk setup right here. Just want to quickly show you guys. So the lowest, I designed this floating desk to be compatible with IKEA furniture. So it's about 23 3/4 inches tall. It's not completely leveled, but yeah, it works great. It happens to be, with the 2-inch casters mounted, it is 27 1/4 inches tall. The maximum height is about 50 inches without the casters, and with the casters, the maximum height is about 50 inches. With the casters, it's going to be 53 inches. And there's another really cool feature that is the A button. It's the automatic reminder. So I can pick a timer, set a timer, for example, 40 minutes. It will be able to automatically raise the desk. For example, the timer can be adjusted here. One press of this button says on. Then I can adjust the timer. So after this duration, I will be the desk will automatically rise up, and which is a great reminder if I wanna, if I sit down for too long. So that is a fantastic feature. For memory preset, press this M button once, and then the memory preset key 1, 2, 3 memory presets. And back here, I have the power strip mounted, which is a 10-inch long GE 6 outlet AC power strip. Then it has dual motors. I'm not sure if you can see it, but I do have a little cable organizer, cable tray from FlexiSpot. With this long power cord setup, I can basically plug in anywhere in this office and get power and move the desk around easily. I may have to do a good job hiding this cable. It has dual motors on left and right side, which is kind of sitting flush with the frame, and it's not going to be visible at all, especially if I want to sit down, or if you're not, looking directly down there. You will not be able to see all these cables if I, tuck them all in by using a little cable ties, which are included. Now I'm going to lower the desk again. Okay, the thickness of this desktop board is about perhaps half an inch. Yeah, half inch. It's not very, very thick, but should be good enough for general use. And I highly recommend using casters for this kind of setup. So can freely move it around in the office or reposition the furnitures depending on the use case, right? All right. I guess that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you find this review helpful.